Going on? Welcome back to another Very Unholy Training video. We're here at freaking thing. Yep, that's what we're doing.
Where did you say it was?
The corral?
Yeah.
It's over there.
Oh, it's right there, yeah. Okay. I'm scared of snow.
I know. Snowing with the corral.
There's a fenced off region over there. It's not the corral.
That's the corral?
Yeah.
Right there.
Fenced off place it's not, so maybe it's fenced off for like some reason.
Someone's property. Whoever owns the corral.
Oh yeah, they could just let him out for like safer or just like to wander around.
Yeah, graze. This is Giga. Oh, all that just went down my neck. I just bumped into the tree and the snow fell. Here, I need to zip up my pocket. Put the BB gun in it.
The Bubbigan.
The BB gun. Huh. All right.
Huh?
It's freaking amazing.
I know.
Yesterday we made a video here and there wasn't as much snow. But it snowed last night, so we came back because dang, this place is amazing.
I know the trail too.
Dang!
The corral. There was a crow just flew off there. Oh man, walking on these in the snow feels so giga.
I know.
I don't know why.
Walking in snow too, though. Feel as if that's also amazing. More what? Oh yeah.
Oh, it's cool.
I know. Freaking arena.
It does feel like it, right?
Wait, what went through here?
Same thing.
A cat?
I give a guess on you.
Look at all this. That is, I don't know. That's amazing.
I didn't realize there's no dent like that.
Oh, there is. What the heck? 2 dents now. Wonder what the heck they're trying to keep in here. Cows? I'm sure, but like, you know, what cow would do that?
Sure.
And a bigger one to the same thing.
Here's the thing, I don't really know why this is here though.
This?
Why it's just out, you know?
I don't know. Yeah, look at that. That was cool.
Ah.
All the freaking snow falling down. It's kind of amazing.
Oh, snow went down my neck too.
That right there too. Snow went down your neck. Yeah. It's a weird feeling, but it's also like refreshing for some reason.
I know, I love it.
Wow. That's cool. Makes me wonder what the freaking, like, you know, tower place. Wow. Oh my god.
Yeah, the mountain was snow.
I know. I haven't checked back in like a while. Hold on, my freaking.
I checked back on my recording while I was recording you doing up your stuff.
Oh, really? It's funny because it didn't really work because it was just pulling down my pants, the BB gun.
Oh.
But it's fine. You never know what we're gonna run into out here. Oh yeah, isn't this where we saw like the foxes and coyotes or whatever?
Yeah, that's why I was going down here. If there's any more by chance.
It's possible. I doubt we'll see them because, you know, the snow. Okay, so this isn't graphic, guys, but, you know, it's just dead animals, someone keeping them away from their livestock, protecting their livestock. You can?
Yeah.
I saw a squirrel just run.
Buddy.
Oh, yeah. It's barely even visible, though. The other one is right there. That's cool.
If I tried to do this, my daddy'd be like, "You're an idiot."
Why?
The skinning thing.
Why?
Oh, you're an idiot. Because I don't know. I don't think he'd think it's worth it to skin some dead animals for money.
Dang, it is really coming down. Yeah, but those are worth quite a bit.
Yeah, I know. He still wouldn't think. I don't know. He's almost everything I do really hard.
Shove this in my pocket. Oh, that's much better. I put it in my hoodie.
Oh, good.
Because, you know, snow, water, whatever. I don't know if the 1911 is really resistant to water. I mean, it is to some degree. But I don't know if you can submerge it. I'm sure you can, though, because even the airsoft guns that are gas, like CO2 and green gas. Dang, it is really coming down. Look at that.
Yeah, I know.
This is going to be a cool video. Yeah, my pocket is so warm right now because of the hand warmer. Wait, are those our old footprints?
Yeah, I think so.
Wonder if they match.
Oh, you mean size?
Yeah. They do.
Yeah, it's big as a tower. If you go up there.
I know. Oh, look at that crow.
Yeah, this thing's big.
It's probably a raven. Not gonna lie, but I don't know. I couldn't look at it close enough. Same thing, pretty much. Well, just one's bigger. Like a lot bigger. Wow.
Some bird dying.
I know. It's probably being hunted.
By what?
A bird, another bird. A bird that eats birds. Or it's mating. I don't know.
Fox, maybe?
Possibly. I just got a text.
Oh, maybe. Or maybe that dog. Look.
Dang. Yeah, the dog prints. Alright. My text wasn't a text, it's just some random notification. Oh yeah, this, you can slide.
I can't. Your shoes are too freaking grippy.
Mine aren't, because they're just normal shoes.
Yeah. Boots.
I'd be wearing my boots, but this is your house, not mine.
You could bring it if you want.
I guess. Yeah.
Dogs. Oh my god. Dog is going everywhere.
Wait, you could hear the buzzing.
Already, wow.
Yeah.
I think it's because there's snow going up and it's like zapping the snow. I don't know.
Yeah.
Might be a dumb theory, but if the snow melts on there, might be droplets with like supercharged electric water. So I wouldn't go anywhere near there.
Well, I mean, I want to see if it's dripping first, which I for some reason I doubt it is.
Really?
Because I think we'd see like, you know, something.
Well, if you see me randomly fall to the ground, get out.
Okay.
That's why I got shocked to death by some supercharged water. I don't really know physics though, so.
I'd probably try to drag you, away. But then that'd probably kill me, not gonna lie.
Exactly.
I'd touch you and then I'd just die.
Well, I didn't think that. I thought it was gonna get driven down again.
Oh. Well, I don't know how that works, so. Couldn't hurt to be careful though. Just a hoodie and beanies. That's all we have while we're out here. Probably should have put on my gloves and my better jacket.
Vest.
Yeah. I mean, well, if we come back out here, then we know what to do.
Yeah, well, it's kind of nice because we do know now.
Yeah. Which I'm sure we will if this is short. Wow. That's cool. It is really coming down now. We're gonna get like murder.
I don't think so.
Yeah, no, neither do I. Probably find a good spot though, just in case.
What? Get out of the snow?
Well, I mean, one, there's the pipe, but that's far away. Oh, look, the birds. They just came off of that thing.
Shit, they're fine. We're fine.
Yeah, high voltage above my... I feel like a tree would be good. But what
Somewhere
tree?
inside a tree.
I'm gonna test it. My fingers are actually getting cold too, so... Yeah, oh, this is kind of perfect.
Oh, that is, okay. So here's definitely the spot, pretty much.
Look at that.
Oh, there's a bunch of dumping stuff.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. Oh my god.
Is that a fish trap? No, I swear to God, there's a dog in here.
No. Kind of paranoid because we found dogs. Oh, my dream last night. Yeah, someone went searching for the dogs. Like police.
Just dirt and stuff. Weird. Oh, really?
Yeah. That's my dream. So, Why is there glitter in my fingernails? Doubt it'll focus. The Zest Lord is attacking. You're right, this isn't the best spot. Let's go find a better one. This might be good. And the only reason I say that is because there's minimal snow. This is a box.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, I wonder if something's in it.
No, nothing underneath it.
Oh. Jesus.
Cool, it's like concrete tube right there.
Yeah. Okay, this is kind of good. This is actually really good. Never mind.
Yeah. Oh.
What?
Oh, what if we went on the mountain and went in the cave?
Oh, yeah.
We should do that.
That would be amazing.
Or the radio tower.
Yeah.
The other mountain would be amazing.
It's cold. That's like the first time I'm ever going to say that. I mean, nothing else is cold but my hands, though, because they're always out.
Me too. Well, the whole body's a little bit cold, but not really.
I feel like if we go up to the cave, though, we should stop by your house just to grab better crap.
Yeah, I was gonna think about that too.
Well,
It's the best thing ever, exploring with you and Zayden.
I know.
Sometimes Zayden.
Sometimes Zayden, because he never gets to go to these things. Freaking, but I feel like the Very Unholy Trinity viewers, would like him so much. I'm sure they already do. I feel like he'd be the favorite out of everybody. So this is a BB gun. It's a BB gun. It fires BBs. I hit the thing once.
Heard that. Oh, God.
What?
Snow even harder.
I know. Should we go back?
I don't know. I just want to just like go around here for a second.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking.
Find
But
another shelter, be like happy for a second.
yeah. If we do go to the
That
cave.
looks good.
Oh yeah. That might work. I think you just said that, but that might work.
Yeah, I just did that.
Look how deep the snow is right now.
Yeah, it's good. You're thinking right.
This. Wow. This is truly amazing.
What is that?
It's a ball.
Yeah, tennis ball. There you go.
To the dog that we found is running. Oh my god, I might have just found the most giga spot. That looks like it's enclosed with trees.
Oh.
That might be.
We went on like Sunday.
Yeah.
Or Tuesday, I mean.
It's the same thing. Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, deer. Right, deer?
That doesn't look like, that looks like a cow. Cause that's massive.
Yeah, that's not a deer. It's a damn deer. It's a cow.
It's a cow skeleton.
There's legs over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely a cow. Wait, that's what that part is?
What?
Look, the ball joint is still attached.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
No, that's what that part is? That's the hips?
Yeah, I told you that.
I didn't know that.
Dang. Just bones, a skeleton. Well, we found a spot. Hopefully we don't die. This might be the last thing you hear from us. I don't know.
We'll eat this rotting cow if you get hungry.
It's already
Oh.
gone. There's nothing
hair.
on it. Oh, makes sense. It's cow hair.
Yeah,
Anyways,
still, what the fuck?
Hope you guys liked this video. See you
Yeah.
in the next one. Yeah, subscribe.